Do your windows look like this? Because we can make them look like this. Hi, I'm Mike Smith with Complete Window Care. The energy efficiency of your modern windows, that gets thrown around all the time. Energy efficiency. A lot of times what will happen is you call a window dealership and they come out and say, yeah, we can replace your window for you. Well, what that involves is now they've got to remove your whole window and replace it with a whole new window frame. That's a lot more involved procedure. Realistically, you're going to be able to get the same kind of performance out of new glass and bringing your window up to shape than replacing your whole window. Your windows are not set for the graveyard just because there's been a bunch of damage to them. We can get these things fixed and in running order, usually pretty easily.